points to be discussed. The points to be discussed are location of Kaziranga National Park, flora and fauna, model 1, wildlife of Kaziranga, ecotourism, a stepping stone for conservation, and conclusion. Now I will like to start with location of Kaziranga. Today, I have the chance of speaking about one of the most unique and vital natural places of India, Kaziranga National Park, situated in the northeastern state of Assam and on the southern bank of the Brahmaputra River. The park's landscape is a stunning blend of forest, wetland and grassland which together create a dynamic and diverse ecosystem. The park was established as a wildlife sanctuary in 1908 and later declared a national park in 1974. Over the decades, it has grown both in size and significance, not only as a place of incredible natural beauty, but also as a shining example of successful wildlife conservation. This UNESCO elevated site is not just a sanctuary for wildlife, but a symbol of India's commitment to wildlife conservation. Kaziranga is best known for being home to the Indian one-horned rhinoceros, a species that once cratered on the brink of extinction. With over 2,400 individuals, Kaziranga holds around 70% of the global population of this majestic animal, making it one of the most successful conservation stories in the world. The park is one of the best places in the world to spot the endangered Bengal tiger with a significantly high population density. The Kaziranga significance is not limited to its role in protecting individual species, but Kaziranga significance is not limited to its role in protecting individual species. It also helps in maintaining the water resources by regulating the flow of Brahmaputra River and replenishing groundwater reserves. Now I would like to call Trisha for further speak.
Thank you, Dev. So now I would like to give some more information on Kaziranga National Park. One of the most striking features of Kaziranga is its ability to combine conservation efforts with the well-being of local communities. The park management has made significant strides in community engagement and ecotourism ensures that the surrounding population benefits from the park's success without compromising its natural wealth. From creating alternative livelihood to promoting sustainable tourism practices, Kaziranga has shown that conservation and development can go hand in hand. However, despite its success, Kaziranga still faces numerous challenges. Poaching, climate change, and flooding caused by the seasonal monsoons are major threats. The park has been subjected to both human-wildlife conflict and encroachment, and it requires continuously vigilance and innovative solutions. The Kaziranga authorities, along with local communities, government agencies working tirelessly to protect the park and ensure its future. In recent years, technology has made a significant role in enhancing the park's success without compromising its natural wealth. The Kaziranga authority. Kaziranga's beauty is unparalleled, but it's more than just a stunning landscape. It's a living testament to resilience of nature and tireless efforts of those who committed to preserving it. As a citizen of this planet, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that the Kaziranga continue to thrive for generations, to not only to come for its remarkable wildlife, but also for its ecosystems that sustain us all. So now I would like to call Rajguru Dev for further speech.
Today I want to talk briefly about flora, plant life and fauna animal life that make our planet so unique and vibrant. These two components are deeply interconnected and essential for health of our ecosystem. Flora and fauna are originating from Latin. Flora in Latin is the goddess of the flower and flora is also derived from word floral, which means relating to the flower. Therefore, the flora is a group of indigenous plants in a ecosystem of any geographical region, and fauna is a group of indigenous animal of any geographical region. Flora or plant are the foundation of life. They produce oxygen through photosynthesis, provide food from animal, offer shelter and habitat to countless species. Plants also regulated by climate, prevent soil erosion are a source of medicine, food, raw materials for human. Fauna or animal play a crucial role maintaining the balance of nature. From pollinators like bees and butterflies to predators like tiger, lion, animal help keep ecosystem in harmony. Herbivores feed on plants while carnivores control the population of herbivores. Decomposers like insects and worms break down organic matter, enriching the soil and enabling plants to grow. Now I would like to call my friend Pan for the info.
So now I would like to continue my speech in flora and fauna. Our country has rich biodiversity and has rich flora and fauna. One can find a coniferous tree, evergreen tree, mangrove forest, bamboos, cacti and grass, as well as different types of herbs and shrubs in different parts of India. The animals are found ranging Royal Bengal tigers, Asiatic lions, elephants, rhinoceros, leopard, panther, two deer, jackals, striped hyenas, and wild buffaloes, as well as a large variety of birds and reptiles. Flora and fauna are interdependent. Plants depend upon plants for food and oxygen. When one is affected, entire ecosystem suffers. Sadly, both flora and fauna are facing serious threats such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change. It's our responsibility to protect our precious resources as they are vital not for just our own environment, for our own survival. So now I would like to call my friend Surina Sneha for the speech.
Now I would like to start my speech on wildlife of Kaziranga National Park. Wildlife in Kaziranga National Park is as follows. The rhinoceros. The pride of Kaziranga. Kaziranga is perhaps best known for its highest population of Indian rhinoceros, also known as horned rhinoceros. With its distinct single horn and massive body, rhino is a symbol of strength and resilience. Kaziranga is home to over 2,400 of this majestic creature, which nearly accounts 70% of the world's total population. This impressive number is the result of decades of conservation efforts that have helped protect this species from the brink of extinction due to poaching and habitat loss. Now we will talk about the Bengal tiger, the silent predator. In addition to rhino, Kaziranga is also a critical habitat for elusive Bengal tiger. With its dense forest and tall grasslands, Kaziranga provides an ideal environment for this savage predator. The Bengal tiger population in Kaziranga is one of the highest in India, and the park has been instrumental in preserving this majestic and endangered species. The tiger's presence in the park is a sign of healthy and balanced ecosystem that Kaziranga supports. Now we will talk about the diverse mammal population. But Kaziranga's wildlife is not just limited to rhinos and tigers, but the park is home to a variety of mammals including whitefoot, swamp deer, summer deer, and the Indian elephant. The summer deer or Kaziranga is one of the notable species that can find different in Kaziranga. With its characteristic elders, the swamp deer is well adapted to the park's wetland and is another success story of conservation here. Now we'll talk about our water paradise. Kaziranga is equally a heaven for birds and enthusiasts. Kaziranga is home to more than 500 species of birds, both migratory and resident. Among this, the great Indian hornbill, with its striking appearance and large bill, stands out. Kaziranga is also a seaside for eastern parrot and polar fish eagle, both are which are critical endangered species, and both of which are critically endangered species, and the wetland of the park supports an impressive number of waterfowls, including great adjutant frogs, painted frogs, and black-headed lizards. Now I would like to call my friend Yasari for further information. Thank you, Sneha. So now I will continue the speech on wildlife of Kaziranga by explaining you about reptiles and aquatic life. In addition to its mammals and birds, Kaziranga is the home to the
pythons, snakes, cobras, and several species of turtles. Now, the park surgeon also provides a sanctuary for a wide range of aquatic life, from fish to amphibians. The mama crocodile and the gharial is the typical endangered species of crocodile that often be found along the rivers and wetlands in parks. Bird conservation efforts. The biodiversity of Kaziranga, however, is not something that can be taken for granted. Over the years, Kaziranga has played a pivotal role in preserving the fragile ecosystem. So, the park's dedicated forest guard of land rescue to protect wildlife from illegal hunting. The park also provides the park also faces challenges such as flooding, which is a natural part of season cycle, but it can be devastating for wildlife. Despite these obstacles, the park faces Despite these obstacles, the Kaziranga's Despite this obstacle, Kaziranga's unique conservation effort have allowed many species to thrive. Ecotourism, a stepping stone for conservation. Ecotourism has also played a crucial role in the preservation of parks' wildlife. So, conclusion. Conclusion. Its rich and varied wildlife of Kaziranga. So now I would like to give my give for ending speech.
Before ending the speech, I would like to share a positive thought. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. I would like to thank respected men, supervisors, teachers for guiding us in the right way and letting us represent our views on Kaziranga National Park and giving us the golden opportunity to showcase our talent in SSL.